Hello, I am Mathematician, and I will be replacing Mathman for today because Mathman has some work to do with Math Monster. I think he's going to kill him. No promises, I don't know what's happening, but all I know is that I'm going to be replacing him, and I will try to not make it as boring as he does, and I will try to stutter less. So here it is. I'll be teaching you how to use equilateral triangles, and first of all, what is an equilateral triangle? So an equilateral triangle is where all the sides are the same. So let's say these are all 3 cm, and there is this symbol means that all the sides are the same length. So, and in an equilateral triangle, all the interior angles are also the same length. So angle x, angle y, angle z, they all equal the same thing. So my theory is that all interior angles in this triangle, let's not make it confusing, listen up, all interior angles in an equilateral triangle are 60 degrees. I have to prove that, so the way I'm going to prove that is by using angle sum of triangle. So angle sum of triangle, let's write that down, angle sum of triangle. And in this rule, it means that in any circle, let's say in this circle, in every triangle, let's say this is A, angle B, angle C, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180, and then we put the rule over here because we have to be people of reason. So let's go back to this. So since we know that all these are the same length, and we know that there are 3 interior angles, and we know that this triangle equals up to 180, so we can just do 180 divided by 3 equals 260, and that is what x and y and z are. And that's my theory proven. So how do we use that in a situation where in like homework? So let's write down a question here. So we know that this is all the same. This is an equilateral triangle now, and we have to find out what x is. Since we know that this is an equilateral triangle, we can just straight up just put it there. So, and our rule is property, or you can do prop of equilateral triangle. And that's how you do it. This is how you use it in your homework. So you're welcome. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you listened up, and I will see you in the next rule. So back to here, angles sum of polygon. So what that means, so let's I want to find all the interior angles. What's the interior angle of a polygon? So let's say okay, here's what the rule basically is: 180 n minus 2. Okay, why is that? So let's go back to the triangle. We all know that this equals to 180. So we can just, so this is a polygon, right? This is a 3-sided polygon, which is basically a triangle. So we can just do, how many sides is it? So n represents the number of sides. So that's the number of sides. So we'll just replace n with 3 because this is a 3-sided polygon, minus 2, and that equals to 180 1, and that equals 180. So all these equal up to 180. How about a 4-sided polygon? So let's say this kind. So this is easy. We can just split it up into a triangle. So now we have two triangles. We can just do this. And we can just find one. So let's use the rule again. 180. How many sides is it? There's 4 sides, so 4 minus 2. There is 2 triangles, so we can just write 2 triangles here. And then all the sides equal up to, let's use our calculators. This is really prepared. Welcome to the most prepared math show. 180 times 2, that is 360. So all of this added up. So this, wait, let's use another color. This, and this add up to 360. Let's use another one. How about a pentagon, which has 5 sides. So we can just use the rule again. 180 times n minus 2. And how many sides is there? There's 5. So 5 minus 2. And that is 180 times 3. So we can just split them into 3 triangles. That's why it's 3. And we can just finding this. So yeah, anyway, sorry, we're not finding that. We want to, let's just focus on this. So 180 times 3, let's use our calculators. 180 times 3, that is 540 degrees. This plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle. So that's how you use angles at a polygon. So this question is telling us to find x. So let's find x. So let's add all these angles up first, because that's what we're supposed to do. So x plus 115 plus 85 plus 50 equals to 180 n minus 2, and then don't forget the reason, because we have to tell them why is it 180 times n minus 2. So that's angles sum of polygon. Okay, so let's add the like terms first. Let's get a calculator. 115 plus 85 plus 50, that equals to 250, 180. How many sides are there? Let's see. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after counting, we get 4 sides minus 2. And what is the like terms? That is 2. So x plus 250, and 180 times 2 is 360. So let's move the like terms. We have to turn 250 into negative minus 250, and then we move it over to the other side. We move it over to the other side. So let's erase all that. So we move it, change the sign, cool. Minus 250, and x should equal to 110, I believe. 360 minus 250. Yep, 110. Cool. So we can test that. Let's go back. So we know that x equals to 110. So 110 plus 115 plus 85 plus 50, that equals to 360. So yes, it does equal to 360 now, and that is how you use it in a practical sense, like in your homework. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you, Mr. Chiu, for putting my videos into your lesson, and thank you for teaching the class, and God bless you, actually. Thank you very much, guys. Bye-bye.